Welcome to your complete KineMaster course. Have you ever watched an amazing video on TikTok, YouTube or Facebook and wondered, how do people create video like this using only a phone? What if I told you that by the end of this course, you'll be able to edit professional looking videos directly from your Android phone or tablet without needing an expensive computer?
UTech TV. Learn, explore, discover.
Welcome to the complete KineMaster course 2026. I will teach you everything from the absolute basic to advanced editing techniques step by step. Whether you are a student, content creator, business owner, freelancer, or someone who simply wants to create an amazing video, this course is designed for you. I am UTech TV, and throughout this course, I'll be guiding you through every features inside KineMaster. The best part is that every lesson is explained in simple language, so even if you've never edited a video before, you will be able to follow along without any difficulty. By the end of this course, you know how to edit YouTube videos, create TikTok and Instagram reels, and produce professional Facebook advertising reels for your online growing brand. You will also learn how to add music and sound effects, animate text professionally, use green screen effects, apply transition, create cinematic video, export high quality video for social media. Everything will be explained one step at a time. Video is a valuable digital skill. Businesses use it to advertise. Creators use it to grow. Many build career with a smartphone. It is a valuable skill. So why are we learning KineMaster? Because it is a powerful mobile video editing application. With KineMaster, you can layer, add music effects all from your phone. To make learning easy, this course is divided into modules 1 to 8. In modules 1, getting started. Module 2, basic video editing. Module 3, audio editing. Module 4, text and title, effect and transition. And finally, in module 8, export setting and best practices. By following the lesson in order, you will gradually become confident with every tool in KineMaster. I have one important request. Don't just watch this video. Practice every lesson. Open KineMaster and repeat everything yourself. The more you practice, the faster you improve. Even professional editors became skilled through consistent practice. Before the next lesson, here is your first assignment. Download or open KineMaster on your device. Explore the interface for 5 minutes. Tap different buttons. Import any video from your gallery. Don't worry about making any mistake. The goal is simply to become familiar with the application. In our next lesson, we'll install KineMaster, explore the entire interface, and understand the purpose of every important button. By the end of that lesson, you feel comfortable navigating the app like a professional. If you found this introduction helpful, support the channel by liking this video and sharing it with someone who wants to learn video editing. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. If you are ready to learn, leave a comment below saying, I am ready to become a KineMaster Pro. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.